Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make an extra income every single month using Canva. Yes, the free software Canva that many people know about that you use to design is actually making money for some people online. And this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that for yourself. So this video is going to appeal to basically anybody who does any kind of social media work, anybody who does graphics online, or just anybody looking to make money online. Canva is one of the most popular tools in the design world. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with it. So if this is a topic that interests you, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to share the video. And finally, turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I make a new video on the channel. I'm going to jump into my computer screen and show you how to go about this process of making money every single month with Canva. Let's go. All right, everyone. So I don't know how many of you know about this, but Canva, the Canva that we all know, that we use for design and we love so much, has two different types of plans. Canva has a free plan and a pro plan. Actually, they have more plans than this, because if you visit their website and you go to pricing, you're going to see they have the free plan, the pro, the enterprise, then there's the education, and then the non-profits. But we're concerned with mainly the Canva free and Canva pro today. Now, Canva has two plans. There's the free one and the pro plan. And on the pro plan, you get to pay $9.95 per month. That's if you're paying for a year, I think. And then if you're paying it once, that's per month. That's by each month, I think it's about $12. So what's interesting is that Canva actually has something called an affiliate program. And I've talked about affiliate marketing on my channel before. You can watch other videos on my channel. But essentially, if you sign up as a Canva affiliate and you get somebody to sign up for a Canva Pro account using your link, right? If you refer someone to Canva to sign up using your link, you get paid a sum of money. Now, I really didn't know about this for a long time, and that's why it was very interesting, because I know a lot of people that use Canva, especially the pro plan, and which is what I even advise anybody who is serious about using Canva to do, right? The pro plan is everything, all right? It's everything for design. So I know a lot of people that are using it, and I was like, wow, this is another avenue to make money. So to visit the site or to get access to the affiliate program, all you need to do, if you visit canva.com, you will likely not see it directly. So if you visit canva.com, come up to the top and then click on pricing and then click on pro, or just go to canva.com/pro. It should bring you to this website where you can see this is what the website looks like. And then you scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, once you scroll to the bottom, under company here, you're going to see where it says affiliate program. All right, so you can just visit that link, or you can go directly to the affiliate program link itself, which is about.canva.com/affiliate. So I'm going to click on it. Let's see what's in there. Okay, so you can see this is what the affiliate program page look like. You can see what it says here: affiliate program, earn money with Canva Pro. All right, so share the power of good design, join the Canva Pro affiliate program. So the step here is shown very, very easy for you. You register as an affiliate, then you promote Canva Pro, and then you start earning. You earn up to $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber that signs up with your unique referral link. All right, so you can see how very simple it is. They show you how everything works. So it's very, very interesting, because like I said, Canva is one of the most popular tools for design, and I know a lot of people that use Canva and that would jump on this offer. So I've gone ahead to register. For you to get paid with this offer, what you're going to need basically is a PayPal account. So if you have a PayPal account, because what I discovered is that the company that handles Canva's affiliate program is called Impact, and I'm already signed up on Impact already, because I am an affiliate with another company called AppSumo. So they use the same provider to track the whole affiliate platform, and that is Impact. So once I clicked on join now, it took me to impact.com to sign up. So I just logged in with my Impact account and I was good to go. So if you're wondering how you're going to get paid on your account, just know that all you need is to do what? Is to have a PayPal account. Once you have a PayPal account, you can actually join this program and get paid. All right, so I am going to go into the back end of one of my Impact account, so you can see what it looks like after you join the Canva Pro affiliates program. Okay guys, so you can see this is my Impact account. I'm inside, and you can see the different adverts, the different links. All you need to do is, once you sign up, they will just tell you, probably they'll give you a link and they'll tell you to just accept the terms and conditions. Once you do that, you just wait for a few days and your account will be approved. Once your account is approved, you will then be able to promote Canva. So you can see right here, this is what my ads, these are all the different ads for Canva. So you can see, let me just get one of the links and click on it so you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see this is Canva. I'll click on get code. And then this is the tracking link here. So this is if I wanted to embed the code on a site or something. I could copy this link directly from here, or I could just come here and copy this link. Both of them are still going to work. So I'll just click in here, copy this link, and I'm going to open it in a new tab, in an incognito tab, so you can see what this link is going to load. So this is incognito. I'll just click Ctrl V. All right, so you can see this is where the link brings me. So anybody that signs up with my link right now, all right, anybody that signs up with my link, I'm actually going to get paid some amount of money. You can see the money here, right? But let us go and check exactly how much you are getting paid per account that you sign up. All right, guys, so you can see I'm in the affiliates backend, and you can see this is my Canva. So Canva is one of the brands that I'm promoting. Let's go and look at the terms of payment. Let's see how much you actually get paid on this Canva affiliate program. Okay, so you can see you're getting paid only on subscription charge, so 25% to 80%, and the currency is in US dollars. So let's see what they have to say for the monthly plan. Okay, for the monthly, if someone signs up for Canva Pro monthly, you're going to get 80% of the order sale amount. So let us check what the Canva Pro monthly fee is. So Canva Pro monthly is $12.95, so $12.95. So let's do the maths and see. 80% times 12.95. So you're getting paid $10 for every new sign up. That means if you get 10 people to sign up, if you get 10 people to sign up with your link, you're going to get paid $103. If you get 100 people to sign up, that's $1,000 for you. All right, so that's how this Canva plan works. Now let's see the other one. So the other one is 25% of order sale amount. That's 25% on the yearly plan. So the yearly plan, billed yearly, is 119.4. So let's do that maths. 9.4. Sorry, let's just do 25 times 119.4. So you're getting paid $29.85 on the yearly plan, and if you multiply that by 10 people, you are getting $298. So that is the Canva Pro affiliate program for you. A very sweet affiliate program, and like I said, because a lot of people use Canva, this one is going to be very easy for you to get sales with. All you need to do is find people who are currently using Canva on the free plan, or just start making content about design, or even if you use Canva normally on your page, just sign up, and then you can put the link, that's your referral link, your affiliate link, in your bio. You can put it on your social media. You can, promote it on different social media that you belong to, and people will sign up and you get paid some good money. So that is the video right there for you. Very, very simple program to join, very simple program to start earning from. If you have any questions, do make sure to ask them in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, as always, to like, share and subscribe, and as always, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified once I make a new video. I can't wait to see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.